Welcome back to the Best Reviews channel. Today, we're looking at 5 robotic pool skimmers designed to make surface cleaning smarter, more automated, and less time-consuming. From solar-powered systems to app-controlled cleaners, each one brings its own approach to keeping floating debris under control. Let's get started. Number 5. Nichro M1. The Nichro M1 is a solar-powered robotic pool skimmer designed for continuous surface cleaning. It moves autonomously across the water, collecting leaves, bugs, pollen, hair, and other floating debris before they can sink. Its intelligent S-path navigation helps it systematically cover the pool, while an edge cleaning mode focuses on debris along the perimeter. The M1 also features smart obstacle avoidance, app control, and a shallow water safeguard. For charging, it can use both solar power and an adapter, allowing it to keep working with minimal hands-on attention. Number 4. POOLHACKER. The POOLHACKER robotic pool skimmer is built around long-duration autonomous surface cleaning, with solar power helping extend its operating time. Its funnel-shaped intake and deep front scoop guide floating debris into a large collection basket with approximately 5.9 liters of capacity and fine 150-micron mesh. 4 ultrasonic sensors, a 6-axis gyroscope, and adjustable anti-grounding legs help the robot navigate around obstacles and reduce the chance of getting stranded. With solar and DC charging options, it is designed to continuously collect leaves, insects, pollen, and everyday floating debris while reducing the need for manual skimming. Number 3. BUBLUE F10. The BUBLUE F10 uses Bluehole active suction technology to collect a wide range of floating debris, including leaves, insects, oil, and sand. Its 5-liter dual-layer filter basket can hold more than 350 leaves, while the Smart Escape dual motor system helps it maneuver away from pool steps and built-in skimmers. Users can select auto mode for general cleaning, or corner boost mode for more focused edge cleaning. Through the companion app, owners can monitor battery levels, change cleaning modes, dock the robot, receive alerts, and manage other settings. Its battery provides up to around 3 hours of operation, with charging taking roughly 4 hours. Number 2. Beatbot iSkim. The Beatbot iSkim is a solar-powered robotic surface skimmer equipped with a 7-motor system and numerous sensors for autonomous navigation. Its tri-ultrasonic sensing system helps detect edges and obstacles as the robot follows systematic S-shaped cleaning paths. Dual side brushes and a front paddle wheel guide debris into a large 9-liter anti-spill basket. A 24-watt solar panel works alongside a 10,000 mAh battery for extended operation, including daytime and nighttime cleaning. The iSkim also includes app connectivity, dual charging, guided wheels for reaching corners and walls, and an automatic dispenser for water clarifying agents. Number 1. AIPER EcoSurfer S2. The AIPER EcoSurfer S2 is a solar-powered robotic surface skimmer designed for continuous automated pool maintenance. Its Solar Seeker technology guides the robot towards sunlight when the battery needs additional charging. Dual brushless motors provide propulsion, while optical sensors support 360-degree obstacle avoidance across different pool shapes. Debris is collected inside a 4-liter enclosed basket featuring a 150-micron fine filter, and the debris guard design helps prevent collected debris from escaping during movement. The system also includes a built-in chlorine tablet dispenser and anti-stranding bars. Through the AIPER app, users can schedule cleaning, remotely control the skimmer, and monitor its operation. And that wraps up our look at 5 automated robotic pool skimmers designed to handle surface debris with less manual effort. From intelligent navigation and large debris baskets to solar charging and app-based controls, each system brings a different set of technologies to automated pool maintenance. Thanks for watching Best Reviews, and stay tuned for more innovative products and smart home technology.